Hello everyone, welcome back to our non-calculator math series. We are continuing the subtopics of algebra. So in today's lesson, we are moving on to subject to the formula, which is a key algebra skill, where we rearrange formulas to make a different variable the subject. I'll guide you step by step with the past paper questions. So let's begin. So here in question number 3 part B, given P is equals to 2t minus r, express t in terms of P and r. It means that we'll have to make the subject of t. Alright, so 2t minus r is equals to P. Now 2t is equals to P plus r, and then t is equals to P plus r upon 2. P plus r upon 2, which is the answer for this question. So the next question is question 6. Make x the subject of the formula y is equals to 2x square plus 3. So 2x square plus 3 equals to y, because we have to find out the value of x. So that's why I'm writing down like this. Okay. So 2x square is equals to y. It was plus, so it will become minus 3. So x square is equals to y minus 3 upon 2. Now we'll take the square root. So x will be equals to plus minus y minus 3 upon 2. So that answer is plus minus y minus 3 upon 2. For example, if x square is equals to 25, then x is equals to plus minus square root 25. Remember, so x equals to plus minus 5. We did the same thing. It was x square is equals to y minus 3 upon 2. So x equals to plus minus square root of y minus 3 upon 2. Alright, the next question is question number 15. 1 upon b is equals to 1 upon c plus 1 upon d. Evaluate b when c is equals to 3 and d is equals to 8. We simply substitute. The part b is the question of making subject. Okay, so first of all we are doing part a, which is a substitution question. So b will have to find out 1 upon b is equals to 1 upon c. C is 3 plus 1 upon d, 1 upon 8. So obviously we'll take out LCM. So 3 times 8 is 24. So it means 8 will multiply there and 3 will multiply here. So that is 8 plus 3 upon 24. 1 upon b is equals to 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 upon 24. Then b upon 1, just make the reciprocal to both the sides, 24 over 11. So 24 over 11, or you can write down in the mixed number, like 11 times 2 is 22 plus 2 is 24. You can write like this as well. The next part is rearrange the formula to make d the subject. So we'll have to make d the subject. Alright. So that is again copy down 1 upon b is equals to 1 upon c plus 1 upon d. So I'm writing down 1 upon c plus 1 upon d is equals to 1 upon b, because d is required here. Okay. So 1 upon d is equals to 1 upon b minus 1 upon c. Take out LCM. BC is the LCM. So c minus b is 1 upon d. Just do the reciprocal to both the sides, because one fraction is there on both the sides. If the single fraction is there, then you can do like this. So d over 1, which is d, is equals to b c upon c minus b. Just added the reciprocal to both the sides. So b c upon c minus b is the answer for this question. The next question is question 16. You can see they give you one part of the question as substitution almost in every question. And the second part is to rearrange the formula to make any variable subject. Alright. So c is equals to b times 1 minus b over a. Find c when a is equals to 4 and b is equals to minus 2. So c is equals to b times 1 minus b upon a. Put the value, that is minus 2 and a is 4, minus 2. I'm just substituting the value. In place of a, I'm writing down 4. In place of b, I'm writing down minus 2. So upon a means upon 4. So that is, you can cancel 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. All right, so your C is equals to, that is 4 minus times 4 plus 2 upon 2 is left. So you have cancelled 2, it means that 1 is left. So you can write down minus 6 over 2, which will be equals to minus 3. So minus 3 is the answer for this question. The next part of the same question, rearrange the formula to make A subject. So you just copy down the same question, that C is equals to B times 1 minus B upon A. And what subject we'll have to make? We'll have to make A subject. If you can see in this question that A is coming 2 times, so it means that multiply and take common A and then make it once. Okay, whenever it's coming twice, so you'll have to take out common that variable. For that thing you need to expand. Okay, so A times C, you just multiply. Okay, so that is AB minus B square. All right, so here AC is equals to AB minus B square. So keep all the terms which have A, so you just keep it at one side because we'll have to take common A. AC minus AB is equals to minus B square. Take A common, C minus B is equals to minus B square. A is equals to minus B square upon C minus B. You can write this answer, or you can just eliminate the minus sign in the numerator. So what do? You just multiply minus to the numerator and denominator, so that will become B square upon B minus C. Alright, so this is the answer for this part. In question number 18, B is equals to M times A minus C. Evaluate B when M is equals to 5, A is equals to 8 and C is equals to minus 3. Just substituting the value. So B is equals to M times. M is what? M is 5. And then A minus C. 8 minus minus 3. Alright, that's it. So 5 times 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So B is equals to 5 times 11, which is equals to 55. So 55 is the value for B. Part B, rearrange the formula to make C the subject. So M times A minus C is equals to B. So you can write down this one as MA, B is equals to MA minus MC. Alright. So this is, you just multiply M with both of them. Alright. So MC is equals to MA minus B. I just move it to this side to make C positive. Okay. So C is equals to MA minus B over M. You can also, if you want to simplify more, this is the answer for this question, but you can do like this as well. MA upon M minus B, so that is minus B over M. So that will be equals to A minus B over M. You can write this answer as well. Now this question number 22. In this question, y is equals to A minus 4 upon 3 minus A. Make A the subject. Again, you can see A is coming twice, so we'll have to take common A. For that thing, we'll have to multiply. So y is equals to A minus 4 over 3 minus A. Multiply with y. So 3y minus AY is equals to A minus 4. And we want to keep A as positive. So what do? We can write down 3y plus 4 is equals to A plus AY. Alright. So A plus AY is equals to 3y plus 4. Take A common. 1 plus y is equals to 3y plus 4. Everything comes out as common, so 1 is left. Okay. So A is equals to 3y plus 4 upon 1 plus y. So that is 3y plus 4 upon 1 plus y is the answer for this question. In this question number 26, S is equals to n over 2 times A plus B. Evaluate S when n is equals to 200, A is equals to 3.6 and B is equals to 5.7. So S is equals to n over 2 times A plus B. So we'll have to find out the value of S. S is equals to 200. N is 200 upon 2, which is 100. a plus b, which is 3.6 plus 5.7. So that is 100 times 3.6 and 5.7. So 6 and 7, 13, and 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9.3. 9.3. So 9.3 times 100 is 930 is the answer for this question. Alright, the next part of the same question, that rearrange the formula to make B the subject. Okay, so what was the equation? S is equals to n over 2 times a plus b. Copy down. And then is equals to s. We'll have to make b subject. So we can write down n over 2 times a plus b is equals to x. We are writing down at the left hand side because b is required. Okay. So now to just multiply n times a plus b is equals to 2s. Remember, we don't need to multiply because a is coming just one time. Okay, try to keep the things on the terms on the other side, and then you will get the answer. So a plus b is equals to 2s. N was multiplying, n will divide. Now remember, b is required, so b is equals to 2s upon n. A was positive, so a will be okay, we have to make b the subject, so a will be negative here. So that is equals to 2s upon n minus a. Alright, the next question, question number 27. C is equals to square root of 8a minus 3b. So C is equals to 8 times 3 minus 3 times minus 4. I just put a is 3 and b is minus 4. So C is equals to 3 8s are 24. Okay, and then minus into minus is plus, plus 12. 24 plus 12, so that is 36. C is equals to square root of 36, so C will be equals to 6. Alright, now rearrange the formula to make B the subject. So square root of 8a minus 3b is equals to C. It's in the square root. To remove the square root, take the square on both the sides. If the square is there, then take the square root, and if the square root is there, then please square to both the sides. But remember, do whatever you do, you'll have to do it on both the sides. So 8a minus 3b is equals to c square. Then remember, b is required and b is negative, so you can write down 8a minus c square is equals to 3b. We made b positive, so b will be equals to 8a minus c square over 3. They want the value for positive b, not the negative b. That's why we'll have to write like this: 8a minus c square upon 3. Alright, the next question, question number 30. You'll have 4 is equals to square root of cx plus 1 upon dx minus 1. Find x in terms of c and d. We'll have to make the subject of x. It's coming in the numerator and denominator both, so we'll have to just find out and take common x, and then we'll find the answer. So it's in the square root. What do? We square to both the sides. Okay, is equals to 4. Square to both the sides. So you are having cx plus 1 upon dx minus 1 is equals to 16. 16 over 1 you can write down, cross multiply. Cx plus 1 is equals to 16 dx minus 16. What did we do? We multiply 16 to this one, and we multiply 1 to cx plus 1. So remember, x is required, so x terms keep it over there. Minus 16 dx is equals to minus 16 minus 1. Alright, so that is equals to minus 17. Take common x because x is the question. C minus 16d. Alright, so you will have x is equals to minus 17 over c minus 16d, or you can write, if you want to eliminate minus with the 17, you can write down 17 upon 16d minus c. This way also you can write your answer if you want. Alright, in 43rd question, s is equals to cube root of t plus 4. Find s when t is equals to 121. So s is equals to cube root of 121 plus 4, which is 125, and we know that cube root of 125 is 5. Okay, so 5 is the answer. Rearrange the formula to make t the subject. We have to make t subject. It's in the cube root, so we'll take cube to both the sides. So alright, take the cube. So t plus 4 is equals to s cube. Then t is equals to x cube, and 4 is positive, so 4 will be negative. So x cube minus 4. Alright, question number 50. R is equals to 4p plus 2 upon 3 minus p. Substitute. R is equals to 4 times minus 2 plus 2. In place of p, I am substituting minus 2. 3 minus and then minus 2. So that will become 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 8 is minus 6 over 5, or 1 whole 1 over 5 minus 1 whole 1 upon 5. Okay, rearrange the formula to make p the subject. So 4p plus 2 upon 3 minus p is equals to r. P is coming 2 times, so we will have to take it common as we did in the other previous part. So 4p plus 2 multiply with r, 3r minus pr. Okay, remember we have to make p subject. 4p plus pr is equals to 3r minus 12. Okay, so we'll have to take sorry, not 12, it is 2 minus 2, because this one we just what did we do, plus 2 was there, so it is minus 2 on this side. Okay, so just take out common p. 4 plus r is equals to 3r minus 2. P is equals to 3r minus 2 upon 4 plus r. So that is 3r minus 2 upon 4 plus r. Alright, so that's all for today's lesson on subject to the formula. So in our next video, we'll move on to the solution of equation, the simple one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Alright, okay, take care. Bye-bye.